so today I'm going to do a review on Honey Baby natural hair products. Well, I actually won them on Instagram on their page. So they had a little contest going on and you had to upload a picture, and I uploaded a cute picture of Makenzie with the little template, and you had to do like a hashtag, I am a honey baby. And I was just praying that let me win something, and luckily we won the third week because I had one every week a winner. I know it's closed now, but I'm sure in the future they'll have more giveaways, so definitely follow their Instagram page. It's right here. So these are actually the results of me using their products. So let me show you what we actually won. So we got this lovely box in the mail just yesterday, and I was so excited. Even Makenzie was excited. So I love that it has the story right here. And these are all the products that we got. So I'm gonna show you with each one. The first thing that I actually used was the Honey and Ginseng Energizing Hair Mask. Now I did wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner. I use Cantu right now. Once I put this in my hair, oh my gosh, like I was so impressed because like nothing could actually like slip through my hair since I haven't washed it in like a week, haven't done anything. I just put it up in a bun all week since, you know, I wake up early for work and things like that. But once I put this in my hair, it literally just slipped. I was just like, whoa, like I can easily finger detangle. I was so impressed. And with this, you only leave for 5 minutes. And usually I like to leave my mask overnight, but since it said 5 minutes, I'm like, let me just do what it actually says. So another thing that came inside the box is this little card, and explains like each product. So with the mask, it has mango and ginseng. It says our treatment mask provides extreme moisture using honey and mango butter. Our ginseng extract promotes scalp circulation and healthy hair growth. Apply an ample amount to freshly washed hair, leave in 5 minutes and rinse. And that's exactly what I did. I rinsed it out and my curls like clumped together. Like they were so moisturized. I was really impressed. And what I usually do when I get out the shower, of course, I use a t-shirt to dry it. At the end of the video, that's when I show my steps and what I used. Next product that I got was the Honey Baby Naturals Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This is really cool. So like it has like the milk right here and all the oils right here of the honey, so you have to actually shake it. So I actually put this in my hair first, and then I'll get into the other product. So with this product, going to the card, it says it protects hair from heat damage while leaving hair shiny and full of body. Use after mask and leave-in as the perfect detangler, and that's exactly how it happened. Like it was a perfect detangler, and I will actually use this as a refresher tomorrow. So this is first day curls. The next thing that I put in my hair was actually the Honey Shea Butter Hair Smoothie. Now this, I'm so used to putting like so much product at a time to each piece of my hair because I section it off. And you know, just so I don't want to have any frizz or anything like that, so I always put like a lot of products, a lot of product in my hand, put in there. And when I put this, I put way too much in the beginning. I was just like, whoa, like it is so thick, and it smells so good. Like the whole line smells amazing. It's like definitely shea butter. So let me show you how thick it is. It's like really thick, like. And it like how it, the consistency, like it's very creamy kind. I don't know if you guys can see. So I put way too much in the beginning, and then when I realized that, I only literally used like a dime size for each section, and that was enough. So a little definitely goes a long way, which is great because you don't want to like buy a product and then you use so much of it in your hair and it only lasts for like a month, because you know hair products can't get expensive. After I put the smoothie in, then I used this brush that actually came in the box as well. It's Texture Pro by Wet. It's a detangler brush. So I usually use a Denman brush, but I decided like, hey, let me just use whatever's in the box. So I used this and it works just as great as the Denman brush. I put the smoothie in, I brushed it out so it can like nicely separate, and then I went in with the gel. The next thing I used was the Hold It Honey styling gel. And the same as the smoothie, a little goes a long way. Like I literally only use a dime size again for each section of my hair. Let me go back to the card for the smoothie and the gel. So the hair smoothie, it has coconut and shea butter. It restores moisture and fights frizz for healthy, shiny, and amazing curls and waves. Apply ample amount for ponytails, braids, and twists for definition. And for the Hold It Honey styling gel, it has flaxseed in it. It hydrates your hair while providing hold, shine, and style retention. Lay it on hair, following hair smoothie for defined and hydrated curls and styles for all day holds and control without buildup and dryness. And seriously, like I'm so impressed. Like I am obsessed with this. Like can you see the definition? Like hello. And another thing that came inside the box is 3 samples, which I didn't use in my hair because I want to save it for Makenzie. Honey Child Moisture and Scalp Balance Gentle Shampoo. So it came with a sample of the shampoo. It also came with the Honey Sweet Softening Conditioner. And also Not My Honey Instant Detangler. So I'm definitely gonna try these on Makenzie when it's her next wash day. I just want to do a quick review, so you know, if you're interested in seeing and how I achieve these curls step by step, keep watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. This video is not a paid advertisement or anything like that. Like I'm just reviewing these hair products and I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys go out, purchase them, and I hope you love them too. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below. Also follow them on Instagram. They always have giveaways. They have a lot more other products that you can try. And of course, subscribe to my channel at the James Bond Vlog and follow us on Instagram as well. See y'all next time. Peace.